Hi, everybody. My name is Denise Richards. I'm a senior here at BYU Idaho. I am also a Ricks College graduate, so coming back and getting my degree, I only have a few credits left. And as I was looking through some of the certifications, I noticed that I could take this class and get a certificate in professional sales, and I thought that would be a great avenue to go down as I enjoy sales. I've done a lot of sales in my life, and I think that the principles that we learn in this class are ones that we can take with us and use in our everyday lives, not only in business, but in the church, in our families, whether or not you're getting your kids to eat their vegetables or teaching a lesson on Sunday. The same principles apply. And the characteristics that we are going to learn about this semester seem like characteristics that we should all try to emphasize in our lives. And so I'm excited to be sitting here in North Carolina and taking this class with all of you around the world and looking forward to it. My kids are 12 and 15, and I grew up in Idaho, but now live in North Carolina. So looking forward to working with all of you this semester. Thanks.